Struggling with leg cramps? These 5 drinks can help relax your muscles. If you've ever been hit with a sudden sharp cramp in your calves or feet, you know how painful and disruptive leg cramps can be. The 5 drinks in this video help calm the nerves, support muscle function, and prevent those painful spasms. No pills, no stretching routines, and no guesswork. If leg cramps have been messing with your rest, stay for just 7 minutes. And at the end, you'll learn the secret that makes these drinks work even better. Now, let's start with the classic most people think they've mastered, but few actually get right. Our first drink is a banana shake. It might taste like a treat, but don't underestimate it. There's a reason this creamy favorite deserves a closer look. Muscle cramps are often a sign the body's running low on key minerals, especially potassium and magnesium. Bananas are packed with both. But here's the part most people miss. Eating a banana by itself might not deliver the results you expect. As digestion naturally slows with age, the body becomes less efficient at pulling nutrients from solid food. Turning it into a shake, especially with almond milk or Greek yogurt, makes it easier to process and puts those minerals to work more effectively. Potassium supports muscle contraction. Magnesium allows them to release. When the two aren't in sync, muscles tighten up, and that's when cramps strike hardest. For many, adding a banana shake to the morning routine brings fast relief. Muscles feel more supported, nights get quieter, and the tension that used to steal sleep finally loosens its grip, and real rest begins. So yes, it's simple, it's sweet, but it could be the one small change that helps your body rest the way it's meant to. And if the problem goes deeper than just minerals, the next drink could reveal what's really missing. Our second drink is coconut water. And before it gets dismissed as just another wellness trend, it's worth taking a closer look at why it matters. Hydration isn't just about how much water is consumed, it's about whether the body can actually retain that water where it counts, and that's where most people get it wrong. When electrolyte levels are low, drinking plain water is like pouring water into a sponge that's completely dry. It just runs off. Coconut water naturally provides the electrolytes muscles depend on: potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Replacing just 1 glass of regular water with coconut water in the afternoon has helped many people notice that their legs no longer feel as heavy by evening. That creeping tightness in the calves starts to fade, sometimes in just a few days. It's more than just hydration. It gives muscles the fuel they need to function freely. Think of it this way. Plain water is the delivery truck. Electrolytes are the key that opens the door. Without the key, the water never really gets where it's needed. If the problem goes beyond hydration, the next drink can help calm your nerves and helps you rest when it matters most. Third on the list is cherry juice, and this one often catches people off guard. Most think of cherries as a sweet snack or a dessert garnish, but tart cherry juice brings real benefits, especially when it comes to sleep and muscle recovery. It's often the wild card, the one drink people don't expect to make a difference. But for anyone who's ever laid in bed, exhausted but restless, legs twitching or buzzing with that wired, unsettled feeling, the connection becomes clear. Tart cherry juice contains natural melatonin, which helps regulate the sleep cycle, and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that calm inflammation and support muscle repair. Incorporating just a small glass of tart cherry juice before bed can help relax the legs, settle the body, and lead to deeper, less interrupted sleep. For many, the difference is felt in just a few nights. Fewer spasms, less restlessness, and a noticeable sense of peace. That little red drink? It doesn't just support better sleep. It helps restore calm where the body needs it most, deep in the muscles and the mind. And for those who prefer something warm and soothing in the evening, the next drink may be exactly what the body's been waiting for. Coming in at number 4 is mint tea. And while it might seem basic, its effects go far beyond simply being a pleasant bedtime beverage. Stress doesn't just affect the mind, it lodges in the body, especially in the legs, lower back, and nervous system. And that tension doesn't always release on its own. Mint contains menthol, a natural compound that soothes the nervous system and helps relax muscles. Drinking it warm before bed not only encourages physical relaxation but also helps signal to the body that it's safe to wind down. People who struggle with nighttime cramps caused by tension, especially after stressful days, often find that mint tea becomes a small but powerful ritual. That shift from tension to ease can begin with something as small as a warm sip and ripple through the whole body. Have you tried any of these drinks yet? Or is there one you're excited to try soon? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what's working for your feet. Now, don't underestimate this next drink. It's a hidden gem with serious benefits. The fifth and final drink is golden milk, a warm blend of turmeric and milk, long valued in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps reduce soreness, stiffness, and deep-seated tension. When combined with milk, which provides both magnesium and tryptophan, it delivers deep calm and prepares the body for true rest. Golden milk isn't just a remedy, it becomes a ritual. On nights when the legs feel tight or after long, draining days, this drink provides more than just relief. It brings real comfort, not just to the body, but to the entire nervous system. There's something about the warmth, the color, and the stillness it creates. Not drowsiness, calm, a quiet readiness to rest and heal. Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't just fewer cramps, it's better sleep, smoother mornings, and waking up with a body that finally feels rested. Now, let's go to the secret I promised you at the beginning. It's a simple habit many overlook, using warm compresses or contrast showers to relax your muscles and boost these drinks' effects. The heat helps ease tension, while alternating with cold improves circulation. Together, they make cramps less likely and your muscles happier. Try adding this easy ritual to your routine and feel the difference it brings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real health tips. Take care of your legs. They deserve it.